Model, 69 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI Euro 6 needs engine repair VAT inclusive. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 59,852. MOT, the 27th of November 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 143 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and won't turnover, engine has ceased weary. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, sat-nav, reversing camera,